Hi, hey, it's Joe. I've come here with a new program to show you. I had a few people email me and message me and call me and ask me if I got any postcard programs that they would really like one. And I've decided that I guess I come up with one, and I wanted to make one. The reason I came up with this, I wanted to make it really easy for people to do. So the flyer, it works good, and I get a lot of people who are offline doing it, and they like to print off their letters and put them in an envelope and mail them out. But you really got to think about it. It's 55 cents for a letter. You're going to need the one letter, or you can put a cover letter. Now you're 2 pages in, 2 pages either front and back, or 2 pages separate. It's going to cost you more money. 500 letters, that's a whole ream of paper. The envelope, the label. Now, if you even want a return label, which most people won't tell you, right? You're going to need a return label, the address it's going to, and the stamp. That's a lot of work, unless you're going to print your envelopes out. Now it's even more work. Then you got to fold them. And I will know from personal experience, folding them is not fun. You're here, folding them up, putting them in an envelope. And next thing you know, you've done 200 and it's been 2 hours. It takes time. So I come up with a program where it pays you good and it keeps you marketing, where you don't have to do anything other than send this postcard out. Sure, you can hand them out. You can make a copy of it, and put it in an email. Whatever, but this is going to be an offline program. If you want to take payments and show it off online, that's not a problem. But anywho, that's the number. Give it a call. I recorded a 4-minute message, explains the program. It's kind of like a little story of how it works. It's a $500 program. You make $300, and every $300 you get 100 postcard stamps. And I take the rest, and what I do with my money is that I pay for the number, of course. I get you postcards, and I get you leads. Get them real cheap. And I'm trying to, save the money. I make a little bit of money because it does take a little bit of effort. I'm going to be taking all the phone calls too. This is the front side of the card, and here's the back side of the card. So your information will go right here. This is me. I'm Joe. And you can have it sent to, I can put send to monitor here. I can put it, or I put your address and you get it directly. I'd rather you do that. We don't have to play any games. We have to worry about, me having to send you money, and you get it. You go do what you want with it. I don't have to worry about that. So it's $300 and 100 postcard stamps. So 200 to the admin. That's me here. That's my number if you have any questions. Now, when you join, I'm going to send you the 1,000 postcards and 1,000 leads. You're going to put them together. All you need to do is run down to the post office, buy yourself 100 stamps. Say 100, maybe 200. They're 35 cents each right now. 35. So if you want 100, it's $35. Send out 200. That's say $70. Can't do math today. So if you want to do, let's say though, letters compared to letters, right? So 55 cents for 100 is $55. 200 is $110. So $110 for 200 versus $70. It's a little bit cheaper. Now in this program though, you're going to make $300 and get 100 more stamps. So when you get your 1,000, go buy 100 stamps, send them out. When you get your first order, keep your 300, take those 100 postcard stamps, put them on 100 more, send them out. You're going to keep making money this way. You want more postcards after, let's say you spend all 1,000, just give me a call, or I'll probably include an order form. Probably be another 1,000 leads and 1,000 postcards for about $100. And that is like me giving you a whole cost. I mean, if you go out there and try to find even just 1,000 leads, it's probably $70, $80. Or, some people charge even more for that. And I'm giving you printed postcards, colored ones. Nice, pretty colored that I designed, just like this. And if I come up with a new design, we'll talk about that later. But this is the one I got going right now. I think it looks really good, and I think it'll catch eyes. No one's in this program yet. I just created it. So you'll get the postcards, and you'll get to, mail them out whenever you want. And like I said, about $100. And if you want more, we can work out a deal, and I'll get you more. Because I can get tons of leads, and I can get you tons of postcards. I have a good suppliers and good printers. So that's all for me. I just wanted to introduce this program to y'all. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm Joe. I'm here. And that's all. So hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.